Ladies and gentlemen, this video is about getting rid of pop-ups that derive from this dangerous site named Onomingco.fun. The pop-up indicates that you need to tap the allow button to continue your browsing. The reality is that clicking on this button is obviously a very serious mistake that leads to a lot of problems. Because when the allow button is clicked, the browser gets hijacked and infected. People start seeing strange ads popping up randomly on the screen and even forwarding you to many dangerous resources on the web. In the light of these facts, I strongly urge you not to click on the allow button. If you have done that, you need to immediately go to the menu of your browser, click on Settings, then Site Settings and Notifications. Be sure to inspect the allow area carefully. If you find something suspicious here, click on the button and remove it from the list. I would also recommend double checking your Mac with Combo Cleaner antivirus for Mac. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and then start scanning your Mac with this application. What you will need to do is to wait until the antivirus database is successfully updated and then click on Start Combo Scan button. After that, the free research of your Mac will begin, and at the end of scan, the complete report will be provided. Remember that initially the program is in the trial mode. However, it has got some free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates Finder. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner antivirus. After the scanning is completed, you'll see the detailed report about the status of your Mac. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. The antivirus will give the total number of threats, and to review them, click here. Now, the program will show you the name of each specific threat, and what's very important, it will also show you its exact location. So what you can do is to click on this icon, this button that says Show in Finder. So it will show you its location in Finder, and you may remove each specific threat manually one at a time. So this is the free and manual approach to deleting threads from your Mac computer. And once all these threads are deleted manually, the problems with your Mac should be fixed. Or you may consider deleting these threads automatically. However, this can be done only with the premium version of the program. Thanks for watching.